You turn around where you are, baby, and walk right to the door. Yep, keep them moving. Keep them moving. Make them sit.
Sit.
Nice. Good. Okay, stand next to him again. Hand on the leash like you're riding a bike. Tank, tell him Tank no. No biting the leash. Okay, hand on top of the leash like you're riding your bike. Yes, baby. There you go. Sit. Make him sit. Nice. Okay, walk to the door, baby. Stay on the side of him. Yep. There you go. Push through the pole. Don't let him go first. You go first through the pole. Okay? Come on. Tell him to come up here, Ray. Up, up. Place. Good. Yep, he's there. Okay, drop.